Are you looking to earn money online without spending a single dollar? Today, I will show you how you can start making income from a website with zero investment and attract a US audience that values your content. Focus on topics Americans search for daily: personal finance tips, health and wellness advice, DIY guides, or career growth strategies. These niches have consistent demand and can build trust fast. You don't need to buy hosting or domains right away. Start with free blogging platforms like Blogger or WordPress.com. Share valuable articles, guides, or lists that solve real problems for US readers. Once traffic grows, apply for free monetization options like Google AdSense, affiliate programs from Amazon or ShareASale, and even sponsored guest posts. All of these require no upfront cost. Remember, consistency is key. Post regularly, provide value, and your free website can turn into a steady income stream. Subscribe for more practical online earning tips. Bonus tip: don't just rely on Google search to bring visitors. Platforms like Pinterest and Quora are gold mines for free US traffic. On Pinterest, create eye-catching pins that link back to your blog posts. Americans use Pinterest heavily for DIY, finance, and wellness content. On Quora, answer questions in your niche and naturally link to your articles. This builds authority and drives targeted readers who are already searching for solutions. By combining free blogging platforms with these traffic sources, you will accelerate growth and reach a wider US audience without spending a dime.